Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to create a beautiful soft asymmetric hairstyle. Now all of the hair I've curled, I'm going to come over and put a side ponytail in. Now so this section came from my crown right down to the side of the neck. Then I bring the hair over and under, and I do it twice like this. And then I pull at the texture to create a softness, yeah, like so. Then what I do is I bring the hair from the left-hand side through the hair, look at that, through that hair there, and to lock it in, this is what I do. I take it now and I pull tight, and I pull tight, and I pull tight, making sure that that really is locked in. Now we just finish off putting this beautiful detail on the very bottom. For more hairstyles like this and for more success, just become a member today of my Access Long Hair Members Club. Or tune in every Monday night at 8 o'clock UK time on Facebook, Instagram and TikTok and learn a new hairstyle.